Come on, I got work to do. Take the video.
Oh, now I got Ed in the way.
Ed, get out of here, Ed. We're taking the video.
All right, you ready? All right, so behind me, we got the guys working on a JK, getting a couple of necessity upgrades. So as you can see, these headlights were absolutely trash on this thing. So it had the halogen bulbs in there in these housings that I don't even know how any light was making its way through there. So we got all new housings going on, and then inside the housing, we are going with the Arc Extreme series headlights on here. So these make a massive difference with them, even over the factory sense, but just something that we highly recommend. And then for the hood latches, because JKs have this awesome hood flutter that goes on them. We've got these new latches going on there. These are the factory ones. I don't know where the aftermarket ones are, but anyways, we're doing the Daystar straps. Here we go. The Daystar straps on there. That'll be able to tighten these up quite a bit. You can see there's a lot more play in these ones. And so these should definitely help that hood flutter on there. So like I said, basic necessity stuff that we need on these JKs, and they're getting started on it now, so we'll hit the time lapse. All right, so the guys made pretty quick work of this. So it's already pulled out of the shop. We did the new headlights on there, as you saw, and the Arc Lighting Extreme Series LEDs in there. That's a 10,000 lumen LED OE replacement bulb inside of those housings. It quite literally makes a night and day difference when you're driving at night. So, and then we also did the hood latches on there. These will just tighten up that hood flutter that almost every JK has, even some of the new JLs have them. But yeah, that'll just tighten it up so that we don't have any more of those issues down the road. Other than that, it's all done. We'll give it to the customer here in a second. So another option from what we did yesterday, in yesterday's video for headlights on that Jeep, we replaced the factory housing and everything. This is another option to replace factory housing, but get the LED right out of the gate. So these are the Putco Luminex headlights on there. They're fairly expensive, but they are some of the best light output that you could possibly get in Jeep headlights. So we've been a big fan of these. Like I said, they take a little bit to grow on you, but they're pretty decent. They look pretty good on there. So yeah, we've been a big fan of them. We stock these, so if you are interested in them, definitely hit us up.